Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 57 here. Here we have a NASCAR Authentic from the 2023 Wave 5. We have Christopher Bell's 2023 DeWalt Next Gen car. Now on the back you get other cars like Kyle Larson's 2023 car, Austin Cindric's 2023 car, and Ryan Preece's 2023 Cup Series car. And many more along with the Wave. Let's get his car out of the box. Or let's get C-Bell out of the box, for more specifically. So first we have the sticker, which is the classic DeWalt C-Bell, and also included in his name you got Christopher. The rest of Christopher is a little smaller than C-Bell. And of course, the classic Silver 20. So let's take a look at the car. So the car had a new makeover over from the 2022 car. So the thing is now is that the hood is now less black. Obviously, there's still some black, but it's not completely black. And also, in comparison to the 2022 car, it is a lot more, the yellow is a lot more lighter than the previous year. You still got some silver on it, and you still got some black. But overall, the color is a little... Overall, the yellow color is a lot more lighter. Yeah, like I said. And there are many variants of this DeWalt car. You got one that's DeWalt/Rheem from the Daytona 500, and one that he drove, which is a lot similar, except Rheem replaced the DeWalt where it's at. You also got the 75th anniversary logo right there underneath the NASCAR Cup Series logo. You also got a little bit of like black lines coming out of it, and along with a little bit of a black streak. Overall, it's not really of a bad paint scheme, but it could use a little bit more black, possibly. I mean, obviously, there was a lot less black used for the 2023 car, but overall, it's a great car. And I finally get a close-up view of the car, which is pretty nice. And I think that is all I have time for. So, thank you for watching this episode, and more episodes will come out soon. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.